Ever looked at your bank account after a shopping spree and wondered where all your money went? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a sneaky way to get some of that cash back? Intrigued? Let's talk Favepay cashback. Now, you might be thinking, cashback? Is that even real? Trust me, it is. It's like finding hidden money under your couch cushions, but way more consistent and, dare I say, exciting. Favepay is this digital platform that turns your everyday spending into a little money-making adventure. But how does it actually work? Picture this: you're craving that new pair of sneakers. Instead of going directly to the store, you open the Favepay app. There, you'll find a list of stores offering cashback. If your desired sneaker store is on the list, jackpot. You click on the store, and it takes you to their website or app. You shop as usual, but here's the kicker: a percentage of your purchase is credited back to your Favepay account. Now, you might be thinking, it's probably a tiny amount. Wrong again. The cashback percentages can vary from store to store and even on different products. Some stores offer a whopping 10% or even more. It's like getting a secret discount without even trying. But wait, there's more. Favepay often has these things called vouchers or coupons. You can stack these on top of your cashback, meaning even more savings. It's like finding a golden ticket in your chocolate bar. Alright, let's talk about how to actually get your hands on that cashback. Once your purchase is confirmed and the store has processed it, the cashback will usually reflect in your Favepay account within a few days. Some stores might take a bit longer, so keep an eye on your account. Now, you're probably wondering what you can do with this newfound cash. Well, Favepay gives you a few options. You can withdraw it to your bank account, use it to pay bills, or even transfer it to friends and family. Talk about convenience. But remember, like any good thing, there are some terms and conditions. Not all purchases qualify for cashback. Some stores might have minimum spending requirements or exclusions. Always read the fine print before you buy. And let's address the elephant in the room. Is Favepay safe? Yes, it is. It's a legitimate platform with security measures in place to protect your information. But as with anything online, it's always a good idea to be cautious and avoid sharing sensitive information. So, is Favepay worth it? If you're someone who likes to save money and enjoys a little bit of fun while shopping, then absolutely. It's a no-brainer. Think of it as a game where you win every time you shop. But remember, Favepay is just one tool in your money-saving arsenal. It's important to budget, compare prices, and look for other deals. Favepay can be a great addition to your saving strategy, but it's not a magic wand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.